Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning on the iPhone's built-in autocorrect, so WhatsApp uses system corrections. You'll open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard, flip autocorrection to On and enable Predictive if you want suggestions. Make sure your iOS is up to date so the keyboard has the latest fixes. Once done, close Settings and open WhatsApp. Autocorrect follows the system, so you don't change anything inside the app yet. This step ensures your phone will correct typos as you type in chats. Now refine how text correction interacts with WhatsApp. Open any chat and type a few sentences to observe autocorrect and predictive suggestions. Tap a suggestion to accept it. If you frequently use names or slang, add them to your keyboard using text replacements in Settings or by accepting suggestions repeatedly until learned. To avoid conflicts, switch between the default iOS keyboard and a trusted third-party keyboard in Settings right arrow keyboards. Once you test typing and replacements, you'll see more accurate corrections in WhatsApp. Finish by confirming corrections persist across chats and media captions. If autocorrect doesn't work, first force quit WhatsApp and reopen it. Reboot your iPhone if necessary. If problems continue, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Reset and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary to clear corrupt entries or remove and re-add any third-party keyboards. Make sure no configuration profiles or restrictions block keyboard functions. One quick troubleshooting tip. Toggling autocorrection off then back on often clears transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.